All right, good morning, second graders. We're going to go over your daily language review. So you to look at each word and see if it was spelled correctly. Will you play with me? Will, missing that bonus letter. Play, we talked about this the other day, is AY. And then with is spelled correctly. So no, no, yes. Mike can't ride you horse. All right. So can't, you know that's spelled with a C, so that's a no. Ride, spelled correctly. And you, or your, horse is not spelled correctly. Then the last sentence, a kangaroo was hopping up and down. Was is not spelled correctly. Hopping, not spelled correctly. And down is spelled correctly. All right. Now, 180, we are doing day 150. You're writing the ordinal number. That just means the place it is. So it'd be 16th. 64 plus 23. I'm going to write this one off to the side. E7 would be my answer. What is 18 less than 29? So if we write this out, it should be 29 minus 18. 9 minus 8 is 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. So the answer is 11. Count by fours and color each number. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40, 44, 48. Color the hexagons. This is a hexagon. This is a hexagon. Circle the object that weighs less, so the object that weighs more is going to be lower. So the object that weighs less is going to be higher, because this object's going to push it into the air. How many votes for birds and fish are there? So fish, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Birds, there's 1, 2, 3. We have to add those together. You should have 8 votes. Do not forget your units. How many hours are there in 2 days? So in 1 day, there's 24 hours. So we need to add 24 and 24. 4 plus 4 is 8. 2 plus 2 is 4. 48. Again, our units are hours.